Corbin's Gunfighter saddle for the Ducati Monster 1200 and 1200S. Comfort and style together in one package. Corbin's Gunfighter model is designed to provide quality touring support for riders who usually ride solo and want to keep a fast look on their monster. Up front, while the seating area has been ergonomically designed to distribute body weight over a greater area, this provides longer range support and eliminates hot spots. Neutralized seating platform helps hold your body in place and curbs sliding in the saddle. This also helps to relieve fatigue by taking pressure off your wrists and knees. Our exclusive Comfort Cell foam material on the inside provides a firm, resilient ride that supports your body indefinitely. The Gunfighter is shaped to emulate the lines of bodywork that work with a fastback tail section. On the inside, the tail is padded and upholstered to provide for a passenger capability. Although the shaping of the tail is designed primarily for looks, the Comfort Cell foam still provides a good perch for your co-pilot on short or medium-length trips. Corbin's Gunfighter saddle also works with the Ducati seat cowl. Bucket shaping in the front gives unprecedented body support. Towards the front, we designed the saddle narrower and allow for ground reach. Our FiberTech-based material allows a perfect fit and provides a firm foundation to support the carefully designed foam shape. This includes genuine leather seating and a variety of color material options at no extra charge so that you can customize your look from mild to wild. Available only at Corbin.com.